So, Kenneth, have you done chiropractic just before? So today is your first time,
Yeah,
right? First time for Kenneth. Right? Okay, there we go.
Oh my God.
And breathe out. One more time in and out. Two back. Okay. Two. That's it.
Neck itself is just amazing. It's just gone.
Yeah.
So now I feel that it's not heavy. I feel that, oh, okay, I can move my head a bit more. I think without feeling much pain is hard.
All right.